Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, I got a Q&A. Checked out a support question that came in a short time ago, and someone was asking me what is the difference in mortgage data regarding Privy and PropStream. So let's get into just a quick tutorial here. Property search, we want to look at mortgage information and what's the difference and how do we supersede again. I know there's some videos on my YouTube, so feel free to go search my name, Justin Tumanowski, or at Real Estate Justin. Let's go over to New Hampshire because you know why? That's where I'm from. Love my New England market. So we're going to bring up like 500,000 properties here, and then let's go into basic information. I'm not going to get into all the property types here. Ownership type, let's go individuals. Doesn't really matter for this, but we're getting better and better mortgage information. Guys, more importantly, I'm a creative finance expert, trained by Pace Morby, leading person doing this, whose software this is. And what better information and what better creative finance software to have than DealSauce. We're going to have more and more creative, inspired things. Although not everyone's cup of tea, I just want to make sure it's in here for everyone to deploy creative strategies because it's going to just another tool in the tool belt. So loan to value, execute that right here. You know, let's say that we're looking for low equity and we think that low equity, actually, let's go 80% all the way because some folks can be over leveraged, guys, and we can take on an over leveraged property. Let's say that they're 125% to 80% loan to value. So they have 80 to over leverage. And there's some also nuances inside of that we don't have to get into on this video, but there's some really cool things there. Let's talk about mortgage rates. Let's say 5.5% interest rate. We want to see things, even though it's not going to be identical. Now, when we get this information, you're not getting someone's note, right? When you have a mortgage and a deed of trust, there's some things that are in there that we don't get. We don't also get necessarily all their payment information. We might get an approximate interest rate only based on the timeline and what the loan product was, but we don't really get exacts because that is not public information. So I just want to put that little seed out there for everybody. Let's talk about fine tuning this. This is where some of the goods are. Let's call it a VA loan. We want to see if we can get a good VA loan. 159 of them. So we have right here, low equity because we're over leveraged there, 5.5% or maximum. So that we want to go the max threshold there. And we're going to go see results. 159. So guys, right then and there, that's the perfect example. And that's a perfect place to get your loan information. So how do we do better than PropStream? How do we do better than Privy? Well, that's easy. Let's go into another area of the software that is going to supersede anyone out there. We can find flippers, landlords, note holders, and private money lenders. So do you want to go find mom and pop flippers, mom and pop landlords? Let's go city. Let's go Manchester. Let's go find mom and pop landlords. We're going to do all the hard work for you. This isn't just, all right, go tell me again, guys, look at this. Here, watch this. Look at the portfolio size here. Portfolio 19, portfolio value 9 million, appreciation 688, average purchase price 66,000. So they're talking about their assets and doors. Filtering. Do you want to go filter? We can go landlord, portfolio size up to 20 properties. We can get rid of that. We can go, I only want to speak to mom and pop up to maybe 10. But we did the search feature there at 20. Portfolio AVM. We have average purchase price, purchase time frame, owns distressed properties. Let's go see what that looks like. All these folks have distress in their properties, and that could be a foreclosure. That could be a bad note. That could be a foreclosing note, tax liens. Really good indicators here. Let's keep going. All right. That's not enough. I'm not happy with that. We want to go deeper on that question. So let's go back to note holders. All right. So we're going to go here. Let's do this. Clear this search field. And we're going to go, let's just go. I don't care where we go. We'll go Durham, North Carolina. Check out another part of the country. Now we want to go note holders, and that's going to be folks holding notes, guys. Those could be seller finance opportunities. Those could be folks that are buying mortgages. Those are folks that you can sell mortgages to. You might have a creative finance deal. You might have mortgages that are attractive that you have at a discount. Maybe you wrap something and then you can sell that off, package them up, sell them off to a note investor. And those are folks right here. Look at that. Folks who have note. I mean, we're looking at one small area, Durham, I would say, but like, let's go into Raleigh. Let's go draw this huge map and see what we can create for some chaos. And let's stimulate that map. All right, hone in. I forgot what the last search filter brought up for results. I should have paid attention. But I'd really like to see what this comes back at. And of course, we searched a wide range. Anything better than PropStream, I will tell you that right now. PropStream allows 250 square miles. PropStream wouldn't allow you to go search the whole state. PropStream won't allow you to do, is what we're doing here. There's no note investor dialogue. That's 1,100, almost 1,200 note investors sitting here, right here for you. Amanda Renee Page, City Oaks, Charlotte, Equity Pros, City of Raleigh. Some of these will come through. They obviously own property, own notes. But you can relinquish, we can get rid of these. But guys, it's giving everybody and anything. And then what we can do is filter this down, and we're going to get more and more filters. Let's see who has distressed properties as note investors. Boom. So then you reach out, we go to Berkeley Burbank, and we go, okay, deals funded. They're in Memphis, North Carolina. They have 6 properties total. Go find their whole portfolio here. You're not doing this inside of any other of those other softwares. Burbank, Berkeley. And you're going to get some things here. You're going to see some other LLCs, some other things you can actually look into. All right. Maybe you're going to find private money lenders. Look at this. So we're going to see that this person owns Berkeley, Burbank, Memphis, Durham, and it's more properties. Berkeley, Burbank, Virginia, Burbank. So you get another name, and they're the buyer. Okay. Pretty cool stuff here, guys. So you can reach out to these investors, ask them if they have any other opportunities, ask them if they have seller finance opportunities. So more and more. You want to talk about mortgage data, you want to talk about loan data. We're just scratching the surface on this, and this is just one little segment of Deal Sauce. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. And if you want to see something, please let me know in the comments. And if I can make a video with any other questions, by all means, I will do my best to get to you. Feel free to check out, again, YouTube and Instagram. Always putting things out there at Real Estate Justin, and then follow me online. See you guys in the next one.